What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video tutorial. I'm Aaron from RXC Media. Online local markets are special places where people and some businesses can sell their products. A special local place where people can sell their product is Facebook Marketplace. Marketplace is a destination on Facebook where people can sell and buy their products. In this video tutorial, I will present how you can list an item on Facebook Marketplace. The item that I want to choose today is this book. It's Power of Habit, written by Charles Duhigg. So if you want to discover how you can list an item on Facebook Marketplace, make sure you stay to the end of this video. So let's get started. On Marketplace, you can list your product either from your personal Facebook page or your business page. In front of me, I have my personal page. To access Marketplace, on the left side, you have Marketplace icon, so and click Marketplace. Now we are in the Marketplace section. To create a new listing, just click Create New Listing. Here we have to choose the listing type. We have four categories like items, vehicle, home for sale, job opening. So in our case, we will choose item for sale. The first thing we have to do is to add a picture. I already done 2 pictures, so I'll try to upload. And the second picture. Now we name the title of the book. We set the price, we put 10 euro. The category, so we have some categories. Conditions, we make a short description. It will be one single item. We have the option to let this off. If, for example, if you want to hide from friends, after that, click Next. And publish. So we have our listing on Facebook Marketplace. That was for today. I hope you like my video. If you have any questions and suggestions my video, please leave them in the comments below. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Bye and see you in the next video.